so they can be pulled to the log landing by a machine called a log skidder. A feller buncher works like a pair of shears. It can cut a full-grown tree like it's a little twig.